Hello and welcome to Sargent. In this video, we'll cover the installation of a Sargent 8800 series rim exit device. Although this procedure applies to multiple functions, this demonstration features the 8813 or 13 function. Follow the steps shown to ensure proper installation and reliable operation. Let's begin. The first step is to verify the correct mounting height based on the template or the specific application. The template specifies a mounting height of 41 inches from the finished floor to the center line of the rail. However, this may be adjusted as long as ADA requirements are met. Once the center line is established, install the 649 strike centered on the horizontal center line and secure it to the frame. For standard panic applications, use the two outermost screws with the lock washer under the strike. For fire-rated applications, install all 4 screws. Next, position the chassis and align it with the strike, ensuring the center of the latch bolt aligns with the center of the strike. Install the mounting hardware to secure the chassis to the door, but do not fully tighten, as adjustment will be required later. Once the chassis is secured, position the ET lever trim, shown here as a 713-8 ETL, on the exterior side of the door. Align the trim mounting points with the door through holes, then secure the trim using the through bolts from the chassis side. Once everything is set, install the push rail, also known as the crash bar, by sliding it behind the chassis. Ensure the chassis remains loose enough to avoid forcing the rail into position. Fully seat the rail into the chassis, align the mounting holes, and secure it using the 2 screws at the top and bottom of the rail.
Now's a great moment to go back and tighten up those chassis screws since the rail is installed right behind it.
Next, install the end cap mounting bracket, ensuring it sits flush against the door, and secure it using the 2 mounting screws. Then install the end cap cover onto the end of the rail using 2 end cap cover screws. With this step complete, install the cover onto the main chassis head using 4 of the same screws used for the end cap. This step may be easier with the door in the open position. With installation complete, test the hardware to ensure proper operation from both sides of the door. From the push side, depress the push pad to open the door and verify that the latch re-engages fully into the strike, as shown. Lastly, test the trim side of the device. As shown, the trim is initially in the locked position. Rotate the key approximately 270 degrees counterclockwise to unlock the lever. With the trim unlocked, turn the lever to retract the latch, confirming the door opens fully and relatches properly. Verify that entry is not possible without turning the lever. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see an installation video for another Sargent device or application, feel free to leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see next. If you need further assistance, please contact the Sargent technical support team at 1-800-727-5477, option 2 for technical support, or email us at techsupport.sargent@asaabloy.com. Thank you for choosing Sargent.